to what the Prime Minister is saying. He's just speaking at the Aero India show. That's an air show in Bangalore.
Engineers and scientists. They produce an output of nearly $7 billion annually. It also supports a very large pool of small and medium enterprise. Our defense industry in private sector is still small, but it already employs thousands of people. This is despite the fact that our 60% of our defense equipment continues to be imported. And we are spending tens of billions of dollars on acquisition from abroad. There are studies that show that even a 20 to 25% reduction in imports could directly create an additional 100,000 to 120,000 highly skilled jobs in India. If we could raise the percentage of domestic procurement from 40% to 70% in the next 5 years, we would double the output in our defense industry. Imagine the impact in terms of jobs created directly in the related manufacturing and services sector. Think of the spin of benefits on other sectors in terms of advanced materials and technologies. That is why we are focusing on developing India's defense industry with a sense of mission. This is why it is at the heart of our Make in India program. We are reforming our defense procurement policies and procedures. There will be a clear preference for equipment manufactured in India. Our procurement procedures will ensure simplicity, accountability, and speedy decision-making. We have raised the permitted level of foreign direct investment to 49%. This can go higher in the project brings state-of-the-art technology. We have permitted investments up to 24% by foreign institutional investments. And there is no longer a need to have a single Indian investor with at least a 50% stake. Industrial licensing requirements have been eliminated for a number of items. Where it is needed, the process has been simplified. We are expanding the role of private sector even for major platforms. Our goal is to provide a level playing field for all. We speak in terms of national capacity, not public sector or private sector. Offset system is a crucial instrument to develop and upgrade our defense industry.
Okay, I think that is absolutely crystal clear that defense will be at the heart of the government's Make in India focus, and looking at least another 25% being internally manufactured, which will mean a lot of opportunities.